Welcome to Humanity Junction, where the city intersects with humans. In today's video, I want to give an introduction to my train room, which includes my... In today's video, I'd like to give an introduction to my... When everything is closed up, my storage and my chair live under the desk in the... My train area is built around my sit-stand desk. When in storage, I have the desk at its full height. My train area is built around my sit-stand desk. My train area is built around my sit-stand desk. When it's in storage, it's not used. My train area is built around my sit-stand desk. When it's not in use, I raise the desk up to When I work on my trains, I pull out everything from under the desk and then lower the desk down to... When I work on my trains or record a video, I remove everything from under the desk and lower... When I converted my office into my train area, I didn't really move things around, so in today's video, For example, when this was primarily my office, it made a lot more sense to have this monitor in the vertical orientation. But now that I'm using it for recording, for example, when using it as an office, it made a lot more sense to have this monitor in the vertical orientation. But now that I'm using it for recording and for working on my model trains, I want to rotate that model. For example, back when this was my main office, it made a lot of sense to have this monitor vertical. But now that I'm using it for OBS and recording, I want to... For example, when I was using this as my office, So I've got all the main items moved. For the next step, I'm going to... So I now have everything basically where I want it, and for the next step I'm going to remove all of the existing wiring and start. First I'm going to explain the basic idea behind what I have set up. The main computer is behind me on my right. The computer on the left side of the desk will be my control. The computer on the left side of the desk will be my control computer. This is the computer that's hooked up to my... I have two main... Thank you for watching. Please leave any comments or questions below, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe and select the bell icon to receive notifications. Thanks again, and have a great day.